Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Credit Karma to track your credit cards and scores. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Credit Karma, if you are using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, navigate to the Apple app. In the search bar, type Credit Karma and hit enter. Look for the app with the Credit Karma logo and confirm it is the official application. Tap the install button on Android. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the Credit Karma app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap to open the app. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password for account security. After filling in your information, tap on Create Account or Sign Up. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification link from Credit Karma and click it. Once verified, return to the app and log in using your credentials. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password to access it. After logging in, you may be asked to input some personal information. This typically includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Providing this information helps Credit Karma assess your credit score more accurately. Next, you'll be guided to link your financial accounts. Tap on the option to add your credit cards and bank accounts. Follow the prompts to securely log into your bank accounts. Credit Karma uses bank-level encryption to keep your data safe. Once linked, Credit Karma will begin tracking your credit score and card usage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and features. You can view your credit score, credit report, and account details right from the home screen. Explore additional features to help monitor your financial health. You're all set to track your credit score and manage your credit cards with Credit Karma. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.